How to download and install Google Gemini AI app for iPhone. Google just released their Gemini AI app for iPhone. Want to try it out for yourself? Watch this video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guide Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Gemini AI on iPhone. Now let's get started. To download Google's Gemini AI app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Google Gemini at the top. Tap Google Gemini when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Gemini AI. That's all it takes to download Gemini AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as we put out great new tech tutorials like this on a regular basis.